Looking for the best solution to nurture your plants indoors? Look no further. Introducing the VIVOSUN S326 Grow Tent, the ultimate choice for your nursery room. Hey there, fellow plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with the VIVOSUN S326 Grow Tent. Measuring at 36 inches long, 20 inches wide, and 63 inches high. This grow tent provides ample space for your plants to thrive. But what makes it stand out from the rest? First off, let's talk about light control. The VIVOSUN Grow Tent is crafted with high-quality 600D Oxford canvas, lined with reinforced PE layer and 100% reflective mylar walls. This ensures that all light stays inside the tent, creating the perfect environment for your plants to flourish. Assembly is a breeze with the VIVOSUN Grow Tent. Even if you're a beginner, you'll have it set up in minutes thanks to the detailed instructions and tool-free corner connectors. Plus, the sturdy metal frame provides reliable support for your plants. But what about maintenance? Not to worry. This grow tent comes equipped with a convenient observation window made of transparent plastic, allowing you to check on your plants without disturbing their environment. And with the removable floor tray, cleaning up is a breeze. With multiple vents and openings, you have plenty of options for setting up duct fans, lamps, and electrical cords. Plus, the inner tool organizer keeps your gardening tools neatly stored and accessible. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers rave about the quality, ease of assembly, and value for money that the VIVOSUN Grow Tent offers. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for the best nursery room companion for your indoor plants, look no further than the VIVOSUN S326 Grow Tent. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy gardening.